Making your own natural shampoo at home is a great way to avoid harsh chemicals, reduce waste, and customize a formula that suits your hair type. Many commercial shampoos contain sulfates, parabens, and synthetic fragrances that can strip natural oils and irritate the scalp. By using natural ingredients, you can create a gentle and nourishing shampoo that promotes healthy hair and scalp balance. The base of most DIY natural shampoos includes a mild cleanser, such as Castile soap, combined with conditioning ingredients like aloe vera, coconut milk, or essential oils. Castile soap is a plant-based soap that effectively cleanses without stripping moisture, making it an ideal choice for a natural shampoo base. To make a simple natural shampoo, start by mixing 1/2 cup of liquid Castile soap with 1/2 cup of coconut milk, which adds hydration and softness to the hair. For extra nourishment, add 1 tablespoon of honey, which acts as a humectant to retain moisture. You can also include 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil or argan oil to enhance shine and smoothness, especially if you have dry or frizzy hair. Essential oils can be added based on your hair needs: lavender or tea tree oil for scalp health, rosemary for hair growth, or peppermint for a refreshing feel. Mix all ingredients thoroughly and store the shampoo in a squeeze bottle for easy use. When using your natural shampoo, shake the bottle before each use to ensure the ingredients are well combined. Apply a small amount to wet hair, lather gently, and massage it into the scalp before rinsing thoroughly with warm water. Because natural shampoos lack synthetic foaming agents, they may not lather as much as commercial shampoos, but they still effectively cleanse the hair. If needed, follow up with a natural conditioner or a diluted apple cider vinegar rinse to restore pH balance and add shine. Since homemade shampoos are free from preservatives, it's best to store them in the refrigerator and use them within 1 to 2 weeks. Experimenting with different ingredients allows you to tailor your shampoo to your specific hair needs. For oily hair, adding aloe vera or green tea can help regulate sebum production, while dry hair benefits from extra coconut milk or shea butter. Those with sensitive scalps can opt for chamomile tea or oat milk for a soothing effect. By making your own natural shampoo, you control what goes into your hair care routine, ensuring a cleaner, more nourishing approach to hair health without the harsh additives found in store-bought products.